Now we are unboxing the noise ColorFit Pro fitness smartwatch, designed in India. It is basically launched before 2 days. Now we are unboxing it. This is the cover. This is matte black cover. Totally amazing. And the back side of it, it has given the all specification, brand name, product name, color, size, weight, quantity, net content, imported and marketed by which company and country of origin, and the barcode and everything. Now we'll go inside and we'll see it. This is the first look of the watch. It looks amazing. This is the cover. We'll come afterwards for the watch. We'll keep it aside. This is the one power cable, of power charging cable. We'll see to it. How is it? This is the cable. Awesome charging. Fast charger. It is a fast charger. Very awesomely designed. Now we'll come to the box. They have some description in it. Oh, awesomely they have detailed about the ColorFit Pro, everything, how is the strap, how is everything, like every detail they have displayed in it. In this they have showed the brand, using the celebrities brand. Register your warranty card. This is the warranty card. Okay, now we'll come for the watch. How is it? We'll remove the watch and we'll see it. It is looking amazing. The color solo pink is very nicely looking to it. It has a cover on it. Now we'll just see to it. It has written function button, long press to turn on. We'll just long press it and we'll turn on. Just remove it. It has the barcode, ColorFit 3. I will scan the barcode and we'll start all the application in it. This is the look.